To debug a running ASP.NET application, the Visual Studio debugger must attach to the ASP.NET process by name. To find out which process is running the application, run application in the Visual Studio. Keep the app running. Go back to Visual Studio, expand Debug, and select Attach to Process. On the Attach to Process dialog, search the displayed process names. The one that is running is the one running the ASP.NET application. Attach to that process to debug the application. This is the detail of the ASP.NET application process names.